Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's video is resetting the tire pressure sensor in the Ford Transit. And this setup is actually worked in my old one, 2015 model, and now I have 2020. I installed a set of 4 tires in the shop. They spent almost an hour trying to reset all of the tires to the proper reading over here on the dash, and they could not figure it out using all the fancy tools and stuff. So I decided to try it my old way, how I used to do it in the Ford 2015. There's nothing about it, you will not find that procedure in the book, in the manual. It has supposedly I should push just a few buttons, hold it, and it should itself reset itself. The other idea Ford guys told me it should itself, when you drive a little bit, it will reset itself. I tried all the fancy stuff. Like I said, went to the Ford dealer, I went to the tire shop. They had a few $100 tire resetting tools. It did not work. This thing, it did work. So guys, if this video will be helpful for you, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Good luck, and here's how I did it. So here's what I have after installing a set of 4 new tires on my Ford Transit 2020. The Ford now thinks that my front 2 tires, the 60s, are located on the left side, and 80s in the back showing the right side. So basically, by the setting, it should be 60 front and 80 back. So basically, if you could see it right there on the light, the rear left, it's basically showing that it's a low air, and I have this message. So it's a cool thing that I can look up on the menu the actual tire pressure, and I double check that that's how it was. So there's no flat tire, but you know, you have this annoying light over here. So I've been to the tire shop back, and they played with this thing for like an hour and they could not figure it out. So I'm gonna try the old way to do it, like I used to do it on my 2015. So basically what you do, you just turn the ignition on, off, or stop the vehicle, turn the ignition on, and then your hazard lights you press 6 times. So on, off, on, 3 ons, 3 offs, total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right there, and that's how you get it into programming mode. Train left front tire. So what you do now, you just starting from that left tire, you just drain the air out of it. Right there, we got it trained. Now we go to the next tire. So this is passenger right, passenger front. We got it trained. Now driver rear. Got it trained. And now the last one, driver rear. Right there, you got the last horn. you have the message, training complete. So let's see if now when we start this thing, okay, pressing OK. And now let's go in the menu to see what it shows. So you get to this, you switch the menus over here, left, right. So you get to this menu sign, nice picture of the van. Then you press menu. Then you go to the vehicle maintenance. Okay. Then you go down to the tire pressure. Okay. And that's what I have right now over here. So that's how you train. Now you just pump up to the normal pressure, but that's how you do it. No fancy tools, the old timers way. But the bottom part, the bad part about it, you're gonna have to have your own compressor, because now you're gonna have to pump up the air to the normal. But now it's actually, see, it's trained, it's showing the right way. I dropped to the 50 and the FRA 55, but then again, now I'm gonna have to pump up to the normal level. The sensors are trained the way it should be. So just to confirm, front tire 50, so it's reading right. Now I just have to pump up, and that's it. So after pumping tires back to the normal pressure, 60 in the front, 80 in the back. Well, my gauge is a little bit off with the sensors, obviously. I mean, it's just 1 or 2 pounds, is not that big of a deal. But now the sensors showing the correct location. The low pressure light disappeared. You're good to go.